evening, I have a 2017 Kia Soul here in the shop, and we're going to show you how to check the underhood fluids on it. And this is something easy that you can do in your driveway at home or in your garage at your home. This is a preventive maintenance thing. You should check your fluid levels. They could potentially save you thousands of dollars in engine damage.
So we've got our windshield washer fluid over here. And all you got to do is lift the lid up, and you'll fill in through here, and you can see the level. See the blue in there, so it's full. As long as you get up close to the top, then when you're full, you just click it back on. Over here, we have our radiator cap, and the car is cold right now, so we can take it off. Don't ever take this off when it's hot. It'll be under pressure and it can burn you. So you crack the cap loose with the palm of your hand. And I'm putting pressure down on it a little bit, just so now I can feel that there's no pressure. Then when I take the cap off, I can see the coolant level, and it's full to the top right there. So that's good. And then over here is your overflow. You'll follow this hose, and it comes right into this overflow tank here. So you can see on this side, Tone, you can see the coolant level, and there's an F there, which means full. And that's on the hot side. So we're not hot with the car. So when the car is running, this level is going to rise up to that F there. So right now the coolant level is at the proper level. So we're good. And on our brake fluid level over here, we can see the fluid level. If you shake the master cylinder a little bit, you can see that the fluid is up to where the full mark is right here. And the fluid's right there. So the brake fluid level is full.
And if
you can see it now better?
Yeah, you can see it better now.
Yeah, so that's full, and if you just untwist the cap, fill it up, and then tighten it back down so the cap locks in place. And you know your battery connections, it's got a little plastic tab you lift up. Make sure this isn't green or corroded. If it is, you can use hot water from your faucet with a cup and just pour it on, and it'll clean the acid right off. And you can spray some red, battery protectant on there if you're in a corrosive, environment like we are here. There is no power steering reservoir. It's got electric steering. So, and we're gonna look over on our serpentine belt over here, and you can see the serpentine belt down here, and there's no cracks in the belt, so we're good there. So the belt is good.
Check the oil.
Yep. And to check the oil, you can pull your dipstick out right here, wipe it off. It's kind of best to check it cold, but when you check it hot, that's fine. And then we'll stick it back down here, and we pull it up. The oil level, because we just did the oil change, it's right to the top here. We put 4.5 quarts in it. As long as it's in this rib spot here, this check spot right here, you can probably see a little better if I wipe it.
I can see good. It's fine.
Yeah. As long as it's in this checked area here, you're good. If it falls below this mark down here, it's low and it's going to need a quart. Stick back in, make sure it locks down in place, and that's it.